So there are many functions of the file that we'll look at. So I move ahead, opening and closing of file, file name, data structure, closing of file, get C, put C, get W, put W, fprintf, fscanf, feof, then your functions for random access to file, ftell function, rewind function, fseek function, and so on. So what is a file? Naming a file, opening a file, reading data from a file, writing a file, closing a file. High level input are used to operate a system calls, high level input functions, C standards and programs. Fopen creates a new file for use or opens an existing file for use. Fclose closes a file that has been opened for use. GetC reads a character from a file. PutC writes a character from a file. Fprintf writes a selected data value to a file. GetW gets an integer. So just remember that reading character and reading integer is different, and writing so fprintf writes in the general fprint is giving printing on the screen, but in place of that if you want to write it somewhere. Definition of opening a file. Before storing data in a file in a secondary memory, certain must be clear: file name, data structure, purpose. So data structure. The data structure is a file defined in the library output function. All files are declared before use. When we open a file, we must specify that what we want to do with the file. For example, the general format of declaring open a file is file star p. Fp is equal to fopen file name and mode. The first statement, fp is a pointer to a data file type. So fp is the reserved, file is the reserved keyword. So file star fp. Now the second statement opens the name file location aside the star, this pointer which contain all the information about the file in subsequent use. The second statement also specifies the purpose of opening the file. So modes can be one of the following: read only, write only, append, or writing data to a file. So file star fp is equal to fopen file name and mode. Depending on the mode specified, one of the following action may be performed. When the mode is writing, a file with specified name is created. If the file does not exist, the content is related file exists. When the purpose is appending the file is opened with correct name state, a title is specified. If the purpose is reading and if it exists, then the file is opened with current contents, otherwise it is not. So rpen open from beginning for both reading and writing, except for both reading and writing, and both reading and writing. So this was for reading only, writing only. So this opens an existing file from the beginning for both, same as except. So a file for appending or adding data in the beginning. So R plus is like an additional feature. If fp is equal to now printf file was not found. Then you have closing a file. Once all operation in a file have been completed, the file is closed. This is done to clear the buffer and flush the information associated. Also prevent accidental misuse of the file. In such cases, there is limit to number of files and can simultaneously. Closing number. So input output library. So fclose file pointer f star p, and f1 is equal to find open input wr fclose p1. This program opens files and closes them after operations are completed. Once the file is closed, this pointer can be used for another file. Input output for operation on a file. Getc putc function. There allows to get char put char function and can handle one at a time. Putc can be used to write a character into file and open in a write mode. Statements like putc chfp1 writes character into the file. This is very similar to the string manipulation that we are doing. Similarly, getc is used to read a character from the file. Statement C is equal to getc fp2 would read a character from a file pointing to fp2. The file pointer moves into one character for each operation. So getc will return end of the file marker. GetW and PutW function. GetW and PutW or object integer oriented function, they are similar to getc putc function. Fprintf and fscanf function. The fprintf function and functions are identical to family of scanf. The general syntax of it is fprintf, fp, control, and list. Where fp is a file associated label, the control string contains specification of the item to it. The list may include variable, constant, and list. So fprintf, fscanf operations that are identical to family of fprintf scanf function. They write something to the file. You have the file name and you have list. So the list may include variable, constant, and string. For example, fprintf f1. So just understand that this has got another file at the end, file printf. So f is standard name, age, specified variable, character, age, integer, variable. So this is how it would go. So fscanf control string list. This would cause reading of items list from specified fp according to the specified content in the control string. Example, fscanf f2 item and quantity. Fscanf also return number of items successfully filled. So that is fprintf and fscanf. So FEOF. FEOF can be used to test for end of a while condition in make pointer argument return non-zero and all of data specified has been read and return 0. FP is a pointer of a file that has been opened for reading statement. If FEOF is equal to 0, printf end of data. So while reading a file, again the pointer concept becomes important. That is the reason you have pointer concept discussed before that. So point out the error. Main file FP open file minus FP. If FP is equal to none, unable to open the file. Open file star F file FF star F is equal to FNR. Now error during input output. It is possible that an error may occur during input output operation of a file. Typical error situation include trying to read beyond the end of the file mark, device overflow, trying to use a file that has been not opened, trying to perform an operation of a file which is open for other type, opening a file with invalid file name, attempting to write a write protected file. The FE error function reports the status of the file indicated also in the file pointer as argument returning non-zero. If error has been detected up to point during processing, it would return 0 otherwise. If F error is equal to 0, printf error occur. Function for random access to file. The random access only to a particular file. The following function are ftell, frewind, fseek. Ftell tells a pointer return number of times that correspond to the current position. This function useful is having current position of the file, which is later used. So ftell fp and would give the relative offset of the current position. This means the end bytes have already read. Frewind would take the file pointer to the rewind position. Fseek is used to move to desired location. Fseek file pointer offset position. So 0 means beginning of file, current field, and 2 is end of a position is F container concern. Fseek FPOL 0 go to beginner of file, similar to rewind. Fseek FPOL 1 current position, rarely used. FPOL 2 go to end of the file. FPX 0 move x1 position byte. FPX1 move x byte. FP minus x1 go backward x file. That was about a program read text function character line by line. So that was about the file handling part. Fgets reads string and copy to a file. Fputs writes to a file. Get w is integer from a file. Put w right integer. F similar to printf function.